Hello everyone, ketemu lagi. Welcome to our English class, and this is special for grade 12. How are you now? Oh, I really hope that everyone is in a good condition and really welcoming to have our English class right now. Okay, today we are going to have KD 3.26. This is about presenting the report. Yes, if you still remember, in our last topic, we talked about making report. So now it is time for you and for Miss Dina to learn how to present a report. Yeah, okay. Actually, what is the goal of this lesson? Apakah tujuan dari pembelajaran? Actually, Miss Dina has already set for two goals for each of you. For the one is you are able to know how to have a good presentation, and then the second one is you are able to present a material in front of the public. Tujuan pertama adalah kalian tahu bagaimana melakukan presentasi yang baik, dan yang kedua adalah bagaimana kalian bisa melakukan presentasi tersebut di depan publik atau di depan umum. Dan sebelumnya, Miss Dina akan mengulang kembali. I'm just going to refresh what is exactly report means. Report generally refers to a document which is on specific information to be delivered to others or may keep by ourselves. Jadi report adalah segala bentuk dokumen yang berisi informasi yang bisa disampaikan kepada orang lain atau pihak lain, atau kita bisa juga menyimpannya sebagai our own document. Oke? Yap, tidak panjang lebar, go to the point. But before you present the material, I'm going to deliver some kinds of part in the presentation. For the first is you have to get or have a greeting. Greeting is about how you greet the others. Some of examples here, you can say, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished or honorable guests, school principal, teachers, my friends, my beloved teachers, good afternoon, thank you for the attention. That's kinds of greeting samples. Okay, next part, it is about introduction. In the introduction atau perkenalan, you may say that allow me to introduce myself. I am Dina, I am Joko, I am Agus. Or you can say let me introduce myself. My name is Dava, my name is Aryo, and so on. And then next, you may have questions. Untuk mengawali sebuah presentasi yang baik, you may deliver some of question to make the audience direct give the attention to the topics. Ya. Okay, after direct the questions, really hope that the audience has already focused on our performance. We go to the next part, yaitu purpose atau tujuan. In here, you can say, I am standing here because I would like to present my report. Or you can say, today I'd like to report on my apprentice activity in blah blah blah. You should remember that apprentice means magang atau praktek kerja lapangan. So this is a really relate to your work before. Okay, after delivering the purpose, you can go to the highlight. The highlight itu semacam guideline atau pokoknya itu nanti apa yang bisa kalian sampaikan. You can say the main reason why blah 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 get blah blah blah. Oke, jadi adalah penekanan seperti itu ya. And then after you deliver all the material, we go to the question and answer session or discussion session. In this time or in this part, you will over some of questions coming from the audience, and then you may answer based on your presentation before. And then after having discussion time already expired or already finished or already done, you can go to the closure or closing. You can say it is the end of my presentation. We have come to the end of the presentation. finally, or you can also say to end up my presentation, I would like to conclude, or I would like to speak again, I would like to conclude that. Ya, itu adalah bagian-bagian dari presenting a report. So if you still have some questions or you need further information, you can search from the other sources, taking from the other books, taking from the other video YouTube, and okay, maybe you may ask me directly to me as your teacher. Okay, and then guys, after sharing about the kinds or the part of the presentation, I would like to say that actually there are 10 tips, no, not 10, yeah, 6 tips that you have to good presentation. For the first is show your passion, tunjukkan semangatmu bahwa actually you really want to share something new to the audience. And then number two, start with an interesting opening. Awali dengan sesuatu yang menarik. Kasih senyum, awali dengan nada-nada yang sangat apa ya, dramatic. So it's really hope that it can be interesting. Number three, deliver in short and straight to the point. Never present in a very long time or never present in what we call apa namanya, berputar-putar, straight to the point, because really sure that every audience is want to know what is the point of your presentation. And the number four, use some tool and apply technology to attract the audience attention. Kalian boleh menggunakan beberapa peralatan semacam pointer, kemudian LCD proyektor, jelas itu ya. Kemudian kamu juga bisa menerapkan beberapa teknologi yang itu akan menarik. Mungkin kalian menambahkan video, kalian bisa menambahkan video klip yang bisa membuat perhatian audiens itu tertuju kepada presentasi kalian. Okay, for the fifth, know and have eye contact with the audiences. I think it will be so useless for a presenter if they do not have an eye contact, because why? Ketika kamu mau mendeliver the material, kemudian kamu hanya istilahnya berbagi kepada dirimu sendiri tanpa melihat ke mata para audiens, itu sama juga kalian tidak bisa memastikan bahwa audiens ini memperhatikan kalian. Kalau tidak memperhatikan, tentunya mereka tidak akan mengerti apa yang menjadi isi dari your presentation right now. And then the last, have a good looking and be professional. Of course, having a good looking is the first impression. Bisa dibayangkan kalau kamu mempresentasikan sesuatu tapi penampilan kamu tidak menarik, itu akan sangat tidak apa ya, tidak mengundang untuk para pendengar yang pada saat itu berada di sekitar kalian, yang tujuannya sebenarnya adalah untuk mendengarkan presentasi kalian. Dan be professional. All of your words, all of your gesture must be in professional. Okay, after delivering short materials about how we have a good presentation, how we have a good delivering in presentation, actually Miss Dina have an assignment for you. I would like to ask you to make a video according based on your previous report that you made before, and then actually I have already provide you a G-form, and then I want you to attach your link in the G-form available in our Google Classroom. For the second, the duration is just about 5 to 10 minutes. I think it's enough. And then don't forget to apply all the tips that we have discussed at the slides before. Really hope that you are so interested and really hope that you are enjoying our material today. Thank you very much for your attention, everybody. See you and good luck.